Sea-Style Trafford Gold is a highly nutritious, well-balanced feed. It's made up mainly of a distillery syrup that comes from the distillery which is on site at Cargill, Manchester. We take the distillery fermentables, which are very high in rumen-friendly yeasts, and we mix that with the residues left over from the milling process, because Cargill ultimately extracting the starch to turn into glucose syrups and various other products they make on site. And then the streams are put back together to make this highly nutritious feed.
Well, we've got a high yielding herd of cows here, and dry matter intake is very important to us, and we find Trafford Gold to be a very good all-round product for feeding our cows, mixes well in the complete diet, and the cows like it. With other dry products in the diet, it does mix very well, makes the whole diet more palatable, and of course getting more dry matter intake is the key to getting more milk, particularly with the high genetic cows that we have here at Grosvenor.
In this diet here, it's actually a mixture of quite a lot of ingredients. The target overall dry matter of the diet is around about 55%. So in here you've got some maize silage, you've got some grass silage, you've got Trafford Gold, you've got processed bread, you've got space syrup, a distillery syrup from Scotland, you've got rapeseed meal and soybean meal as well. And this is all the animals have, is their total diet. Well, the magic ingredient in Trafford Gold is actually the distillery syrup. It's really palatable, it's laced with lots of yeast. When you put Trafford Gold into a diet with other things, it adds flavour to the overall diet, a bit like putting jam on bread, and therefore you eat more of it. If the cows eat more of it, they'll produce more milk. So to demonstrate how palatable this feed is, there you go, hand-fed. We've been working with Cargill for some time. We marketed the original Trafford Gold, which was derived from maize. Then when they started looking at the possibilities of moving to wheat, about 5 years ago, we've started work about projections, what sorts of products we can make.
We spent about £75 million on a direct basis in building a brand new wheat mill. In a full year, we'll be grinding something like 750,000 tonnes. It will make it the biggest wheat mill in the UK by a factor of 3 or 4. We're bringing in 100 trucks of wheat per day, and we're putting about 150 trucks of finished product and Trafford Gold out each day.
The great advantage for us is that now that the plant is here, we've got a constant supply of raw material which is coming in through Frontier, but that also gives us a constant supply of a high volume of moist feed that's coming out.
Trafford Gold fits very well into our green requirements here at Grosvenor, because we send wheat into the Manchester plant and we get the byproduct sent back here, so it's almost lorry for lorry going each way. That's very efficient, cuts down on food miles, so that's perfect for us. It's a very good value feed, and also the flexibility in which we can take it. We can either take it in feed loads, have it delivered as we need it, or at certain times of the year when it's at a favourable price we can take it and clamp it and then feed out the clamps as we go along.
More and more farmers are looking to really challenge their feed costs. With the extra volume of moist feed that's come onto the market, it's an ideal way for farmers to try and offset some of the higher feed costs by using Trafford Gold.